back to Proactive, and I'm joined now by Prashant Khemka, who is the founder of WhiteOak Capital Group, who have just launched the Ashoka WhiteOak Emerging Markets Trust here in London. So a main market listing for you, Prashant. Tell us all about it.
First of all, thank you, Thomas, for having me here. So as the name suggests, the Emerging Market Trust, Ashoka WhiteOak Emerging Markets Trust, would invest in opportunities that are exposed to emerging markets. What we expect here is to deliver long-term sustained capital appreciation and outperform the peer group in delivering superior returns to our investors. Emerging markets are a relatively inefficient segment of the global equities universe. And we at WhiteOak have a demonstrated track record, be it in a single country strategy like India, where we have another trust listed on the London Stock Exchange and good experience with the investors there in London in delivering returns, or it be emerging markets just more broadly. We have demonstrated an ability to extract sizable alpha from these inefficient segments of the markets. That's what we plan to do with the emerging market trust that we just launched.
Fantastic. So this is obviously the second trust that you've listed here in London. So did you start this one because you were seeing opportunities beyond India?
Yes, certainly. So India obviously is a high alpha opportunity market. I've always believed that, and I've always believed that the alpha opportunity itself can be as big or bigger than what the market returns may deliver over time. And the same, I believe, is true for emerging markets as well. Again, these inefficient segments of the market offer the opportunity, if done correctly with the right investment team, to generate sizable outperformance. So the total market returns over time, like since the turn of the century, the developed world and the emerging markets have all delivered mid-single digit kind of returns in dollar terms. But in emerging markets, there is the potential to generate alpha that can be, several multiple points higher than developed world. So the total return, which is the sum total of market return as well as alpha, can be superior in emerging markets in our view. And that's why we believe we can deliver a good experience to emerging markets investors, similar to what we have in the India Trust.
A lot of people are obviously buying what it is that you're selling, Prashant, because you managed to raise £30.5 million. What are you going to do with the money?
So invest in, again, emerging markets related opportunities and these high alpha opportunities in order to generate those returns that we hope to beat not just the market, but the most of the peer group out there, if not all. So these would be investments predominantly in listed public equities in emerging markets or companies that are exposed predominantly to emerging markets.
And just finally, Prashant, tell us a bit about what you personally bring to the party, because you are incredibly experienced in this world of emerging markets, aren't you?
No, certainly I've had, an overall investment career between professional investment career between developed world as well as emerging markets. I managed for 8 years developed world money as well, or invested in developed world, US and globally, and India and emerging markets collectively of, maybe now 16 years plus. Moreover, though, what I bring to the table is, I think my forte lies in building strong teams with a very strong established investment culture, which is what we've built here at WhiteOak, what we call performance first culture, meaning that performance comes first and foremost, and everyone is driven towards a common objective of generating highest returns for our investors compared to anyone else in the peer group. And that's the approach, a stock selection based approach of buying great businesses at attractive valuations, using a time tested process, and implementing what we call a balanced portfolio construction approach, which ensures that alpha is generated through stock selection and does not get easily hijacked by factor risks. So that approach has worked over a long period of time, and that's what we continue to do here at WhiteOak.
Well, Prashant, let us wish you the very best of luck with it. And thank you very much indeed for your time today. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you much, Thomas, for having me here. Thanks.